You've seen viral football edits everywhere, but what if I told you the secret is just the right CC? Today, I'm giving you 5 insane football CCs absolutely free, and your edits will never look the same again. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. You asked for it, and here it is. I'm dropping my top 5 most used football CCs in Alight Motion, all for free. And yes, these are the same ones used in viral edits you see everywhere. Let's dive in and see the preview of how each CC looks, so you can pick your favorite. You can download all of these CCs XML files in my Telegram channel, link in description. And if this video hits 1,000 likes, I'll release a full tutorial on how I create football CCs from scratch. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because even crazier packs and tutorial are on the way.